Animal testing is at the heart of a major ethical debate in biotechnology, as the demand for new drugs and therapies keeps rising. For decades, using animals in research has played a pivotal role in developing life-saving treatments. Yet this progress comes with significant moral questions about the well-being and rights of lab animals. Critics argue that the suffering endured by animals in laboratories cannot always be justified, especially when alternative methods are increasingly available. They point out that animals often experience pain and distress, and that not all experiments are essential for advancing human health. Supporters of animal testing emphasize its necessity, claiming that animal models are currently the most reliable way to predict how new treatments will affect people. They stress that strict regulations exist to minimize harm and ensure humane treatment, with oversight committees reviewing research proposals to balance scientific benefits against animal welfare. Despite these safeguards, incidents of regulatory violations and mounting public concern keep the issue in the spotlight, pushing scientists and policymakers to explore more ethical alternatives and reconsider where to draw the line between scientific progress and animal rights.